So after I went through and made sure that nothing was stuck together, I'm also going to go through with my mirror and just double check again and make sure that none of her bottom lashes are adhered to the top lashes and that nothing is stuck to the iPad. I like to do this instead of just waiting until they open up their eyes because then they're not freaking out that they're stuck. It's just something that you can quickly fix before they even have to notice it. That all looks good. I'm going to remove the iPads one by one. I make sure that I pull the tape downward so that it's not snagging on their bottom lashes. Same with this side. I'm just gonna go in the direction of her bottom lashes so there's no snagging. I always take the tape off first and then the iPad. I have her stay closed until I do the other side as well. So once she's untaped, I'm gonna give her a nice mist. I'm gonna hold it just about this far away, probably like 10 inches or so, and just give her a good mist for probably 10 to 15 seconds. This is gonna help replenish the moisture from her eye. The adhesive cures with moisture, so it will dry out their eyes a little bit. So this helps with that, as well as curing the adhesive itself, which will reduce irritation. Then I want to grab my fan and I'm just gonna brush and fan her out at the same time, just to make sure they're all nice and fluffy after doing that mist. Okay, go ahead and open. So just to review, we used M curl 7 through 12 on this set. I used 0.15 and 0.07 as my diameter. That way you get the classic and the volume and just a nice good mix. We used the clear adhesive, and I used my 406 tweezer as my isolation and 209 for my volume. Make sure to like and subscribe, and you can shop the link below.